guys, my name is Pravyado and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality, classified ads, a submission backlink. So the website name is classifiedads.com. So this is a website URL, and before they started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 72, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 62, and the PAM score is 13%. So it is a considerable because there we do not going to include our website URL. So directly this cannot be going to impact your website PAM score. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the post and ads free. You can click on this. And the first you need to select your category. So we providing services, and then you can select your subcategory. So our subcategory is web and tech. Okay, then after you can choose your zip code 55305, and next you can put your ads title. So suppose uh Jobma, and suppose if I wanting to create ads backlink for this page, so let me generate through the chat GPT. Could you please generate ads content for this page? So job my one-way video interviewing platform, streamline your hiring process, allowing you to screen candidates 75% faster. Okay, perfect. Give me ads title. I smarter and faster with one-way video intro. So let me use this title. Pricing is zero. Sorry, $1. And then there we can put our content. So suppose this is a heading, and we can paste the content same format. This one, let me try. If same format, let me remove this sources. Okay, so we added the content, and there you can put your name. So our company name is Jobma. There you can put your email address. There you can paste the email address again. There you can put your contact number. There you can select your city. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description, intently.co. So our city is Mindonica, and then you can verify the capture WR7. Then you can upload the ads image. So I'm just uploading our website logo. Then after you can select the terms and condition, click on the post this ad. And here it is. You can see this is our ad. This is our ad title: Hire Smarter, Faster with One-Way Video Interview. And you can see this is your ad description, and your company name, your location, city, and all the address. So overall, this is the process to how you can create your ads backlink in this website. So just to how you can create backlink in this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide me social details in the description section. From there, you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.